4x4 suspension today is very different from that of 5 and 10 years ago. Increasingly, manufacturers are moving from live axles towards independent coil-over designs, typically resulting in reduced wheel travel and space for suspension components. This often provides challenges when trying to achieve a balance between on-road comfort and control in more challenging terrain, where potential for bump-stop contact is increased. To address this, a talented team of designers and engineers were assembled and given the opportunity to develop an all-new, high-performance shock absorber for today's vehicles. And from a clean sheet of paper, bp-51 was born. During development, the OME engineers considered not only the types of vehicles modern four-wheel drivers were using, but how and where these vehicles were being used. From this research and a thorough investigation into current shock absorber technologies, progressive damping utilising bypass technology was selected. Used extensively in off-road racing, bypass technology provides a best of both worlds solution, offering high levels of both comfort and control. The key to the best of both worlds performance provided by bp-51 shock absorbers lies in the clever internal bypass design, which results in superior comfort and control over a greater range of driving conditions. Bypass technology allows the oil to move both through and around the piston stack via a number of bypass channels built into the body of the shock. As the piston moves through the cylinder, bypass channels are progressively opened and closed, providing firmer damping at each end of the stroke, in both rebound and compression. The end result is a shock that provides optimal levels of comfort and control through the full range of travel. And, unlike more widely used external bypass technology, the clever internal bypass design of bp-51 allows the shock to fit within a coilover assembly. To cater for different ride preferences, load scenarios and terrains, damping can be adjusted in both rebound and compression using the C-spanner provided. A rigorous testing program which included finite element analysis, real-world punishment and lab simulation was undertaken to ensure that bp-51 shocks perform flawlessly in all conditions. Using specialised measuring equipment, OME engineers were also able to replicate the conditions encountered in the field, back in the lab over thousands of hours, to ensure the shocks were engineered to stand the test of time. Each bp-51 shock absorber body, reservoir and components is manufactured from aircraft-grade hard anodised aluminium. When coupled with the increased oil volume afforded by the remote reservoir, results in a shock that runs at extremely low temperatures, resisting fade over even the most punishing terrains. Manufactured in-house by ARB, bp-51 shock absorbers are developed and tuned specifically for each vehicle application, coming complete with vehicle-specific mounting kits for fuss-free installation. Whether scaling mountains, cruising up the beach or venturing into the outback, bp-51 will provide the ultimate in ride, comfort and control.